Hello and welcome to Week 10's Jing for CIS126. Jason here, and we're going to look at the Beazley Suitcase problem. So let's take a look. So I decided after watching some of the past videos to work with PyCharm, which has been pretty cool. It's a very good tool. So basically, what Beazley gave us was a problem that works for Python 2, but not necessarily for Python 3. So I made a couple adjustments. The biggest one here was this first bit of code that is to write the XML data. So his code had the variable set to the URL lib .open, but for Python 3 that wasn't working, so I had to rework it as basically with the URL open as data. Then I was able to set the variable equal to reading this data and then open an XML and write to it and write all the information. Now, part of the thing too is his original problem was root 22, so I did it starting with that root 22 for consistency, but then I rewrote it. I made a few changes and substituted root 30 instead just to check it, make sure it works. So we have that statement that's reworked. Down here, this pretty much worked similar to how he had it. I just needed to do a few things differently. Part of the problem was to basically get not only the buses and their GPS location, but to basically find out if they're close to his original office location. So I thought the best way to do that would be to write a dictionary. So in the dictionary, I put the bus number as the bus ID that's from that XML. And then we have the latitude is associated, the value latitude is associated with the key latitude. So then we have this function up here for distance, that's the lat1, latitude 2. It's going to crunch these numbers and return a result in miles, approximate miles. So I thought the best way to pass the data into that would be to use a dictionary, so to get all those values. So we have that part of it. And then just to kind of fine tune the web browser opening aspect of it, I set result. Now he asked if it was within a half a mile to open the browser. So let's try it and see if it works. All right. So down here, you can see we have the bus number, the coordinates that says that the bus number is 0.61 miles away. So we have two buses. Neither of these are within, they're over a half mile, so it didn't open the browser. So let's try it with this root 30, and just so we can see if the open web browser works, let's just change this. So I'm going to run this one. You see that we get the web browser opening and we have route 30 on the map right here. And just like the route 22, we have all the mileage, the bus number, and the coordinates. So that's all I have for this week. I'd like to thank you for watching. We'll see you next week.